Okay. I want to thank you again for joining us. We're in the western North Carolina mountains, Hendersonville, North Carolina, up by the Blue Ridge Parkway. And we're driving a beautiful 1969 Jaguar Series 2 XKE. We're going to just take this for a little ride and get a feel for how these cars handle. This is a 5-speed transmission. It's got a 4.2 liter motor in it. It's a pretty good size for a 6-cylinder, and it's a straight 6. The straight 6 motors really started in the aircraft industry because they could build a powerful engine, but it didn't have to be as wide to block the wind, so they were more aerodynamic. They also found that they were really stout motors and had a long life to them. This car is a beautiful color that you don't see every day. It's called willow green. It's got a 5-speed transmission. Got plenty of torque as we take third gear through there. 4-speed transmission. And it's got the beautiful chrome wire wheels with the knockoff spinners on them. Got another stop sign here that we'll come up to. Yeah, it's amazing that you could leave this in a gear, second or third, and just take. It's got enough torque in it that you could just leave it in that gear and climb some of these little hills that we're going through here. Gear. This car has its records that go with it. It's been finely maintained. And the records show the motors was rebuilt not too long ago, and it sure feels like it. It sounds like it, feels like it. We're fortunate to be able to have these beautiful roads, but I tell you what, anywhere you live, you can sure enjoy having the top down on this one and taking it out on a nice day. Jaguar's got a long history of racing and performance, and you can certainly see the DNA as shows up in this example. If you listen to some of those old songs from the 60s, you'll hear them talking about XKE. Thank you.